Hello everyone. This is the Smart Factory under the iSee 4.0 Intelligent Management Cloud Platform. iSee monitors, collects, and analyzes equipment and field data. Let business decision makers fully understand the real production status anytime, anywhere, and formulate accurate production plans and company strategies. Let's take a look at the changes in the work of various functional departments after the factory introduced the iSee 4.0 Intelligent Management Cloud Platform. In the past, the factory had many problems. The boss is trapped in piles of production documents, unable to grasp the real-time information of the factory. Is the equipment of the production line in production? Still on standby? Is the order completed? Or is it still in production? Opaque production process, delayed delivery, and low equipment utilization, resulting in unnecessary losses and waste. Since using the iSee system, the boss can now see the status of the workshop from the computer and monitor all the production processes. Bosses can track this information at home, on business trips, and even on vacation with computers and mobile phones. Production Management Office. The production management personnel are dealing with the problems in all aspects of the production process, and can be pushed to the relevant personnel through the iSee system to deal with the problems in time. In addition, the team can also formulate production plans for the next quarter based on iSee data. Smart Workshop. It is the perfect integration of Donghua intelligent equipment and iSee system in the production, quality, logistics, and other aspects of the factory. The entire production process can be operated with one key and monitored throughout the process. Enable enterprises to minimize operating costs, maximize production efficiency, and optimize product quality. Let's take a look at the work of various departments in the Smart Workshop. Planning Department. Mainly responsible for allocating production work orders and accurately managing all production processes. The dispatcher can view the equipment status, production progress, and overall equipment efficiency of the workshop through the iSee system. Reasonably arrange production to maximize equipment capacity and improve production efficiency. Equipment Maintenance Department. Troubleshooting. When equipment fails, maintenance personnel are immediately notified. It is also possible to view the failure of the equipment in real time through the tablet or TV board. On-site maintenance personnel quickly feedback maintenance progress through iControl and app. Quality Inspection Department. It is necessary to make a preliminary judgment on the product inspection results. Record abnormal quality products and feed them back to the iSee system. Generate accurate and efficient quality analysis reports. Quality inspectors can deal with abnormalities according to the analysis report and continuously improve quality standards. Provide better product quality and shorter lead time. Guarantee to provide customers with qualified and satisfactory products. Warehouse in good order. How the goods in the warehouse are shipped out or in the warehouse. All inventory operation details can be managed and monitored through the iSee system terminal. iSee 4.0 Intelligent Management Cloud Platform can shorten the production cycle of the factory. Better product quality and higher production efficiency. At an affordable cost, iSee may be the best solution for your manufacturing facility.